What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this is not financial advice. You are free to do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we will look at the market performance. Then we will check prices in a little bit details. And after that, we will look at our positions to see whether we're going up, down, left, right, however they are performing. Anyways, but before we get into that, I get a lot of questions like this is how you know that the bull run is here. Okay, I get a lot of questions most of the time like, okay, how do you know what coins to take? How do you know what coins to invest? Okay, it is simple, guys. I like to sleep good at night. Understand? I don't like to sleep thinking about that you get up in the morning and somebody left the hot potato on your hands for you to, to juggle. I don't like that. Therefore, I choose coins, utility coins. Okay, I choose utility coins. And if you put things into perspective, you will understand that we started through history, we started like trading gold into fiat money. That's the most recent one. Okay, we shifted from gold to fiat money, and now the trend, we are shifting from fiat money to digital money. That's where we're shifting into. Therefore, if you can spot that from the from afar, you will know where to put your money. Therefore, that's why I am investing in Casper, in Quant. Excuse me. Let's go here. Therefore, I'm investing in Casper, Quant, and Jasmine. Now, let me explain myself. Digital money is one thing, but it needs infrastructure. Okay, one. Casper is fast, and you need things like when you go to the grocery store, as soon as you pay, the instant payment is right there. Not 1 minute later, not 3 minutes later, not 40 seconds later. Instant. Therefore, I believe that the financial structure is going to be built on Casper. It's like once you go to the bank, at some point, I think there's going to be a collaboration between the Casper blockchain with the Quant blockchain, because first, everybody's not going to be able to be buying a USDT or holding USDT or stuff like that. I think it's going to function in the ways that banks will be doing the conversion for you. Let's just say you are holding your favorite meme coin and you're trying to pay for your groceries at the store. Okay, once you swipe that card, I think banks are going to be using the over ledger in the background. Let's say you're holding Pepe. They're going to be switching they're going to convert whatever amount that you're paying for. They're going to convert your Pepe and then pay for it. That's how it's going to work. Therefore, you have to look at those things, infrastructure, and then you have to look at how it's going to work. Many people are beginning to look at it the other way. Nah, you're going to have XRP do this. No, guys. I go for coins that are really going to make me money. Okay? XRP, yeah, the XRP ledger, whatever you call it, is a good thing. But XRP itself, guys, is going to run on Quant over ledger. Trust me, you won't be able to go to the store or go pay for something using XRP. You'll be able to transfer money from one country to another using the Ripple, XRP, whatever technology they call it. I didn't look a lot into it. Maybe some of you can correct me down in the comments below. But what I know and what I've did deep research is on Quant. Because I do know that Quant, guys, there is Swift system and there is the M-Bridge. Okay, a lot of people think like, nah, we can't do this. Guys, two options I'm looking at in the future. Okay, right now, not even far away, because as you can see, regulations have already started taking place. Gary Gensler has left. So somebody else who is more crypto pro is coming to step in. Regulations are taking place. There is nothing like a decentralized blockchain. I don't think so. I think the government always have a way, because you have to pay taxes, whether you like it or not. We have social security, you have retirement plans, there's a bunch of things, fixing roads, building airports, things like that. You are not going to fix the roads, are you? You are not going to pay for people's social security pensions, are you? No. How does the government pay for that? They are going to have to take, first of all, taxes. We don't want them to keep on printing money, because like you keep printing money, it's going to devaluate whatever that we are holding, right? Therefore, whether we like it or not, there's going to have a system in which the government can take taxes from the crypto transactions. However they do it, it's going to happen. I don't know how, but it's going to happen. Therefore, yeah, you have to look at it that way. They have to know who sends stuff, who doesn't send, how much they send, how much the tax is going on. And another good reason is that, first, the SWIFT system is too old. Okay, now, they find out that countries who wants to, let's say, for example, they have Russia right now with sanctions, right? Any country can evade those sanctions by using blockchain, okay? Don't tell me that, excuse me, here. Don't tell me that Uncle Sam does not have a way of trying to make sure that those sanctions are still going to be applied on the blockchain. That's another thing. While I'm telling you, like, I feel like the SWIFT system is going to either still be used, but not as much as the M-Bridge. I think once they find a way that they can apply sanctions using the M-Bridge, they are going to transition into M-Bridge. They are going to do it. Therefore, you look at the prices on Quant right now, and you tell me that you don't suspect that something is going on. That's another point. Point number 3 is data. You know, like every teenager today, everybody is stuck to their phone. How do you think that Google, or not Google, let's say, for example, YouTube, okay? You do have YouTube. You are watching a video. Next thing you know, the recommended videos are coming in. You did not even search for them. All those videos start to pop in on your feed. How do you know that? How do you know? Sorry, I can't speak today. How does YouTube know? They are using your data. Okay, that's where Jasmine comes in. Now, like I always say, follow the money. You just follow the big money. Now, look at this. Number 1, Quant does not go for people like me. Quant is working with central banks, with countries, which using the overledger, using the M-Bridge, you name whatever project that Quant is using, they are working with big money. Therefore, I follow that money. That's why I put my money on Quant, because I know sooner than later, he's going to make me that money. As you can see, it has already started. The same thing goes to Jasmine. Guys, Jasmine's technology is coming. It's something that, if you look at it, practically is playing out just like they said it would. Every teenager today, they use their cell phone, TikTok, YouTube, or whatever you call it. Oh, come on. TikTok, YouTube, whatever you call it, they're using their cell phones, right? Imagine once they realize, like, you know what? By me watching TikToks, I can earn money. By me selling my data, I can earn money. Everybody and their grandmother was going to start piling up onto that idea. And therefore, it's going to make Jasmine to run. You understand? Those are things that I look at when I invest in a coin versus, yeah, meme coins are going to pump. But you sleep at night. Like, very good example. See, just a couple of days, Sandbox, the rest of them, they were up 60, 70%. Where are they today? Retracement down 60, 70%. Why? Because somebody, which again, taking profit is not a crime. If I would have done the same, if I was in their position, I would have done that crap on you. That's what I would do. But Casper, do you think Casper can play like that? No, Casper has strong fundamentals. Quant has strong fundamentals. Jasmine, again, strong fundamentals. That's why I trade on coins that are not the pump and dump schemes. Coins that I can go to sleep at night, wake up, and yeah, do what I have to do. You understand? Anyways, yeah, that is why I'm telling guys, you have to look into those coins. It is easier for me to monitor 3, 4, 5 coins versus trying to monitor 50 coins, even if you have them on your watch list. It's easier, the less than a bunch of them right there. Just easy things to do. Just follow the money. Again, I told you guys, was it yesterday? Terra Luna Classic. I don't know what the hell is wrong with them, but Binance is spending a lot of time, energy, and money on Terra Luna Classic. Therefore, I'm going to put my 2 cents in there. Because sooner than later, if they succeed in repegging the USTC to $1, uh, if they succeed in repegging USTC to $1, you're looking at Terra Luna Classic at 10 cents this run. Now, if they did not succeed, or if they go halfway, whatever, for whatever reason, you can even see Terra Luna Classic at 2 or 3 cents, which again, I will still make a lot of money. And I'll throw another one in there, just like I did yesterday. Cubic. Guys, when I invested in Casper, I looked at their concept, I looked at their whatever that was written down, I got intrigued by it. I bought Casper less than a cent. A lot of you know this. I bought Casper at 3 zeros, 1 8, or something like that. I can't recall offhand. The same thing goes to Cubic right now. Their technology that they're developing looks very, very attractive. Therefore, I throw $200-300 in there. If I lose it, but if I don't lose it and it comes out to be whatever they promise it will be, nobody will remember. Okay? Nobody will remember where you are today. You sit like, oh crap, yeah, that was a good trade. It's not my first or second. I did the same thing with VeChain. Those of you who know me, I invested in VeChain at less than a cent. I bought 1 million coins and I sold them at 20 or 20 something cents. I forgot what it was. I made my money and I moved on. But Casper is one that I'm going to hold for long term, because Casper, guys, with what I'm looking at, Casper is going to replace Ethereum. It's going to replace Solana, Sui. Casper is going to beat them all. Once this smart contract gets implemented on Casper, guys, I will sit here and I will tell you, yep, I told you so. Understand? So those are the things that I look at when I invest in a coin. Should I just put my money in this 5 or 6? Or can I toss all day, all night, trying to control what these 30 or 40 coins are doing? So those are the things that I look at. You make your choice. Come on. You need to make your choices based on that. What is the coin bringing? Is the team working? What are they practically? Is it possible what they are trying to achieve? Are they achieving those things? So yeah, those are the things that I look at. Okay. Anyways, now let's go look at the market to see how we've been doing for the 24 hours. Okay. So if I go here on my crypto bubbles, see, everybody else, I told you guys, Bitcoin was going down to 93,000 or probably 90,000. See, today, what do you think Bitcoin is at? And then everybody panicking. They are all selling like crazy. Anyways, where is the Sandbox and the rest of them? Oh, to the moon, like they will say, right? You guys do remember they were saying that not even long ago, 2 days ago. But anyways, now let's go look at King Casper right quick. KAS. For the past hour, Casper is up 0.1%, 1.4% down on the day, 5.7% down on the week, 24% up on the month, and 18.3% up on the year. Market cap sitting at $3.76 billion. See, he hasn't even changed. It's still almost the same thing. And the 24 hours trading volume sitting at $138.12 million. Good numbers right there. Now, looking at Quant, again, the coin a lot of people love to hate. If only they understood something. Quant is up 0.89% for the last hour, 2.4% down on the day, 6.3% up on the week, and 53.2% up on the month. And then you can also look at it yearly. Look at that number, guys. It's about to turn green. We're sitting at 5%, almost 5.3% down on the year. Now, for the market cap, Quant is sitting at $1.38 billion. And the 24 hours trading volume at $65.99 million. Again, those numbers looks pretty similar to me. They haven't changed a lot. And now if you look at Jasmy, JAS, here, for the past hour, 0.74% up, 2.5% down on the day, 14.5% up on the week, 35% up on the month and 369% up on the year. Now, look at the market cap, $1.15 billion. Normally, it happens, like I told you guys, price was always going to come back down to 2.3 cents. Anyways, that's why the market cap dropped a little bit. But the 24 hours trading volume still sitting at $243.38 million. Okay, now let's go look at the price in a little bit of details right quick. Right here, my trading view. Come on. Oops. I closed it instead of opening. I closed it. Sorry about that. But anyways, let's go look at the price, starting with King Casper. You guys already know the king always has to come first. Like I said, for me right now, I'm looking at Casper, and I think price is a little bit hot. I think I have a feeling that Casper is gonna come back down probably to 14.3 or 14 or even 14 cents, because like I was looking at the trading volume today. Okay, a lot of people are long in Casper. Almost 98% is long in Casper right now, and there's a lot of liquidity all the way down to that between 14 to 14.3 cents there. So I'm thinking this price will go down there. Anyways, on the meantime, as you can see right here, this support has been a major one. If you've been part of my millionaire journey, you will know I told you guys that this 14.3 has always been like a big support. Price always comes down, bounce on it, try to go, comes back, bounce on it. Now we're going up to go retry this resistance at 15.2, 15.3. That about depends on where this meets the where the price meet the resistance. Okay, we're in this symmetrical triangle, which is part of a bull flag that we formed. Okay, so yeah, I'm expecting price to come back here, get rejected. Okay, probably going to get rejected by the moving average, come back down again to retest this 14.2, 14.3 cents. There's a lot of money down there, and a lot of longs need to get liquidated. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at right now. If you excuse me, if you pay attention, see that right there. We've been going up and coming back again, retest that support at 14.2, 14.3. That's if you've been following my channel, you will know that that line does not play at all. So yeah, that's where we are right now. I don't have much to be saying about the price other than, yeah, I'm telling you guys, this thing I think is going to come back down to that 14.2, 14.3. I do have some money on the side. I want to enter another trade. You guys already know me. I don't miss the opportunity. I don't miss the opportunity. If you look at it on the 4-hourly, where's the 4? Right there. Look at it on the 4-hourly. Let me zoom out a little bit. See? Right now, we are having it trying to go up again. The same thing, okay? Nothing changed but the name on the mail. Look at that. Came back, retest, came back, retest. Now we're going up again. We retested the upper resistance, came back. Now we're going up again to try to retest it. The good thing I like about this is that I see the ribbon starting to spread. So therefore, we might see this. Maybe this is the momentum it needs, okay, to break above this and come back and retest. But I have a strong feeling that this might come here, get rejected, okay, and come back down to retest this resistance again at that 14.3, 14.2. I've said it a lot of times. That's what I think is going to happen. But anyways, it's something that we got to watch, and therefore we having Casper about to run sometime this week. Okay, I think before the weekend we are going to see a big move, even with the rumors and the signs that Binance is making moves trying to list it. Anyways, now let's go look at Quant right quick before we go to Jasmine. QNT on Binance. See that? QNT on Binance, the same thing, playing just like I told you guys we are going to do. We had this big resistance up there at $105. We got rejected, okay, and I was telling you guys we are going to come back down to right the moving average. As you can see right here, look, we got rejected at that 105, okay, came back, touched the moving average. Now we are looking at Quant trying to go back again to retest that 105 again. Now, two scenarios. The most probably one I'm looking at is like we're probably going to come all the way down to $85. Because like I said, this is something about it. I don't like when price break up and it doesn't come back to retest a major resistance. We have a big resistance at $85. Quant has never come back down to retest. It's always a good thing if Quant could come back down to $85, okay, retested. You see this? This was a big resistance that we couldn't break. Once we broke it, we went above. It is always a good thing to retest. But hey, I might be wrong, because this bounce right here on the moving average might be the bounce that the retest that I'm waiting for, and then it will start going. But hey guys, I always say pay attention to the ribbon and pay attention to the moving average. Okay, if I zoom out, you will see that the ribbon has not started curving up yet. Okay, therefore that is another thing that tells me that, yeah, maybe prices might be coming back down to that $85. Okay, that's, or even like, even if it doesn't come back to 85, we might see it almost 90 or $89 thereabout. That's what I'm paying attention to right now. Okay, there's not much to be said, only that pay attention to the price action to see if we are going back to $85 or not. I am already in my trade, so whatever price does, let it do. I'm still good. So yeah, let's go look at Jasmy right quick. Okay, JASMY. If you look at Jasmy on the Binance, you're about to see it. The same thing. You guys remember yesterday, I was telling you guys the same thing. I was not comfortable with Jasmy running all the way up, okay, without coming back to retest the 2.3 cents. And just like clockwork, guys, if you don't believe me, go look at my video yesterday. Just like clockwork, look at this. Jasmy, we were somewhere here yesterday when I was telling you guys, like, yeah, it looks like it's trying to go up, but I feel like it was going to come back down to retest the 2.3 cents. And that's exactly what happened. Look at that. It came back, retest on the money, bounce on 2.3 cents. Now it looks like price is taking off. Ain't that so? Isn't that something? And now with the difference with Quant, you can see that the ribbon is actually curving. Okay, the ribbon is actually curving upwards. Therefore, this price action is legit. It looks like Jasmy is about to take off. We are above the resistance, we are above the moving average, and now we're about to be above the moving ribbon. Therefore, I'm expecting this thing to start going up. Okay, next stop for this is going to be at that 3.4 cents. And after that, we are looking at 4.5 cents, which is the top of the falling wedge that we just broke above from. So yeah, everything is moving according to plan with Jasmy. If you look at it on the 4-hourly, let's go on the 4-hour right quick, which is right here, and it will tell you, look at that, perfect. Look at that bounce, came back perfect, bounce. So yeah, look at the ribbon, it's already curving. So yeah, this is pretty good. Now, something that I forgot to tell you guys about Casper is that you guys let me I think it's better if I showed you moving right here. Where is it? Here. Casper right now, all the time frames are pretty good. The only thing I don't like is the daily. On the daily time frame, if you look at the MACD and the RSI, they look bearish. Okay, that's another thing that lets me think that Casper, it looks like Casper is coming back to retest that 14.2 or 14.3 cents. Now, on the weekly, if you can see right here, let me move this on the side so that I can grab this. Okay, we're on the weekly. Okay, pay attention to this. If you look on the weekly, we are about to flip bullish. Okay, we already flipped bullish here on the MACD and the RSI. So we are about to flip bullish. So if you look at it, sorry. Oh, man, come on. Why is it keep doing this? Okay. If you look at it on the RSI has already flipped bullish. The MACD is the only one that has not yet flipped. Okay. So that is something that I am paying a lot of attention to. Excuse me for a second. Let me do this again. It's a one that I'm paying attention to, but I want to take your attention to the daily. Okay, let me take your attention to the daily on these indicators, because the daily, let's go here, let's go there on the daily, right there. See, this is why I'm saying if you want to enter a trade, you rather wait, because price is going downward. See, it has already flipped bearish. This one is already down there. which is normal. You guys already know that it is very like lagging behind. It's not as fast as the MACD, but it is flipping. It's already down there, so that is okay. Now we are waiting for this to flip, to go all the way down. We want to see it go down, like come all the way down and flip back to positive. Okay, we want to see it. I'm waiting for it to come down and then flip. When we see the yellow excuse me, when we see the blue line go above the red line again and do this same fashion, start to go up, then yeah, that will be time to enter the trade. So yeah, on the daily, I think it would be a good idea for you to hold on to your horses and watch the price action for Casper. Okay, we about to go down, guys. I think we are going down to that 14.2, 14.3 cents. Okay, that said, let me go back right there. Come on. That's it, guys. There you have it. Below, I do have my links. Bydfi, Phemex, and Margex. But please, please, do not leverage trade if you don't know what you're doing. Because, guys, Rex City is not a joke. You will have your hot ticket, first class ticket to Rex City if you do not have experience. But, guys, the reason I'm saying this is, first of all, use the links below. Sign up. Once you sign up, you are going to get free money. With that free money, start to practice. Turn $10 into 20, 20 into 50, 50 into 100. Use the free money that they're giving you to test all this, to learn how to trade. Once you get it, once you start to get it how it works, then you can now use your money and start to trade big time. Like let's say $1,000, $10,000, whatever that you have. Then you can either follow my trades, you can follow somebody else, or you can do you. In that aspect, I don't really care. All I care about is that you make money. And in 8 to 10 months from now, we will sit here and celebrate. Okay, we will sit here and celebrate that we made money. Anyways, now let's go look at my trades right quick. First, starting with my BYD. Those of you who has been following my channel, you know that trade, that I had it almost like 70% down, 75% down, $6,000, way all the way to $6,000. Today it is climbing. Okay, today I am up 16,700. Perfectly, we're making money. Like I said, I put my mouth where my money is. So that's where we are right now. And now if you look at my contracts, okay, see Casper is going down 14.8. So if you look at my contracts on Casper, I am still down 22%, which is 1,100. On Quant, I am up 83%, which is 5,900. He's taking his breather, which again, I'm not concerned. It's gonna do his thing. Anyways, now let's go look at Phemex right quick. Okay, looking at Phemex, which is this guy. Let me sign in. On Phemex, you guys know, also was down almost $6,000-$7,000. Looking at it today, I am up 16,600. Making money. We're making money. Looking at my contracts, you will see on my Jasmine, I am up 3%, which is $350. And on my Casper, I am still down 19%, which is $1,000. Pretty good, okay? I told you, I will show you this same account 6 months from now, 6 to 10 months from now with 6 figures, okay? Let's see. Now, if you guys also remember on my new trades that I opened up on Margex, okay? Margex, I don't like that exchange, but hey, it is what it is. I already have the propositions open, so I'm gonna keep them open. Margex, the fees, I think the fees are too high. But anyways, if you go to Margex, you guys know I had 7 trades, and out of that 7 trades, I closed the SUI trade. Okay, I closed it, took some profit, and I have some money on the side. I want to use that money to open another Casper trade. Anyways, if you go look at my trades, let's go here, entering into my trades, you will see my first 2 trades, I am up 159%, which is 1,500 each. The third trade, I am up 444%, which is $4,400. Okay, you look at the fifth one, I'm up. The next one, I am up 150%, which is $3,000. And then you look at my last 2 trades. Okay, this is funny, guys. This is really, really funny. Look at that. Wow. Wow, guys, look at that. My last two trades, I am up 179%, which is 7,600. Again, this is how we're going to make this money. Although the fees, I don't agree with the way the fees are. For example, if I open up this one, for example, see, my funding, which is the fees here is already $1,600. So that's the only thing I don't like about this exchange. The fees are a little bit higher than they should be. Okay, look at that. Look at the fees on here. So yeah, that's something you have to have in your mind if you want to trade long time with Margex. The fees are they're out of this planet. Okay, so therefore it is one thing that only professional traders like me you will understand. Okay, but anyways, that doesn't stop me from trading, because I know, even though when the fees, let's say for example, if my position goes up, Casper goes to $3-4, I will make me probably $500,000 out of there. If the fees are $20,000, I will gladly pay for that. I'll pay them that $20,000 and I'll keep the rest. That's part of trading, understand? So anyways, that being said, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Excuse me. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, okay? Because guys, I'd like to know your opinion. What do you think about it, what we just talked about? And also don't forget to share. The more you share, the more the videos goes to a lot of people who are millionaire minded, like you and me. You'll be surprised what you will learn from somebody when they comment on the video, okay? So yeah, that's another thing. So that being said, again, thank you very much. I'm trying to get to 5,000 subscribers. A lot of you watching, you're not subscribed. So please subscribe, okay? That again, until I see you my next time, please take very good care of yourselves, okay? Bye-bye.